Good morning, crafty friends. I'm so excited to be sharing with you my design team project for a collaboration called August in Paradise by Crafty City and Renee Bouquet. And I wanted to let you know that you will have some discount codes below. The first one for Renee Bouquets is Paradise Kimmy, all in caps. That will get you 10% off of everything you purchase in the store, starting August 1st through August 31st, okay? And then also the same discount for craftycity.com is gold sand, and I'll have those codes down below so you, in case you forget them. Anyway, let me get on into my project. I absolutely loved using every bit of this kits, okay? Every little bit of both of them, okay? So first of all, this album is 8.5 by 7, and the spine is 3.5 inches. So let me get started with the paper collection that Crafty City sent to me was Mintay Paradise, and of course you can see that these papers are absolutely stunning. And they are watercolor, and they're just absolutely gorgeous. Graphics are amazing. So let's get started. So first of all, I want to share with you a little bit of what Renee has sent me. And of course, she sent me 2 of these beautiful laser chipboard mermaids. Absolutely gorgeous. This is the Sunkissed one. She also sent me some of her Orchid glitter dragonflies that were beautiful, and some of these beautiful starfishes. And with the starfish, I just kind of ombre'd them, and then I added glitter glass on top of it. Now, I also added the diamond glitter glass in the ocean waves here as well. And then also she sent me some silver pink glass shards, which were really beautiful. And if you've ever been to Florida and you've stepped in the sand, you can definitely see that the sand sparkles. I'm not sure if it's mica or whatever, but it kind of looks like sugar. And so I really thought that these kind of reflected that. I also received a chipboard piece that says Beach Memories, and of course with a little beach umbrella. This was from the Crafty City kit. Again, I went ahead and ombre'd this with inks. So I used a mint green, a lime green, and then a yellow, and I just kind of mixed it together. And then again, I added that glitter glass on top. I don't know if you can really see that, but I can see it shimmering. So really gorgeous stuff. I did a lot of layering, and if you want to layer in the Crafty City kit, she did add some foam dots, which is really awesome. So that allows you to be able to do this. Now, I did use some of the flowers from my stash from previous kits from Marchana. I always like to, if I don't finish it with one, I always go into the next one. But believe you me, you will have plenty of Prima flowers that you will get in your Crafty City Paradise kit. Okay, so you don't even have to worry about that, okay? So on the side here, I used some of this beautiful pink crochet lace that Renee sent me. Again, here's that beautiful starfish. This time, my daughter went ahead and ombre painted this for me in pinks and kind of like a pinky purple. And then this amazing button bling. I love the pearls and the diamonds, really gorgeous. You get 2 of those in the kit from Renee. And then on the back here, who doesn't love this beautiful beach colored boardwalk? Love, love, love. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's go on to the inside cover page. I really had a tough time covering up this paper, but I did add some of the pink silver shards again. I used one of the cut aparts and kind of popped it up here with some foam dots. I also had a some Tim Holtz vacation travel themed words that I went ahead and used white paper and then ombre'd them. So you'll see a lot of those throughout here. And this one says summer. Again, here's one of Renee Bouquet's beautiful glitter glass shard butterflies. Isn't that beautiful? And then here, again, I did a lot of Prima flowers. We have some more of the cut aparts that I just popped up. And then here are these cute little unicorn pearls. Okay, sorry about that. That was really weird. And then right here we have a tag that I went ahead and added some of the washi tape that you will get in your kit, as well as I just cut down the cut apart so that it would fit in here. And then from the Crafty City kit, you get this cute little sterling silver hat. It's not actually real sterling silver, excuse me, I should just say silver. Let me just put it that way. And then again, here's one of the cut apart tags. Love that. Love how it has a little frame on the back. And let's go here. Each one of these little tags right here that I put in here, I added some pink paper. I stamped on it with some stamps from my stash. And then I added some more of the Prima washi tape, okay? And then I went ahead and did a die cut and used some of my leftover paper to create these little pull tags as well. And then here we have a side pocket pull out that you can fit photos that are 4x6, 5x7, and at least 8x8, okay? So again, I did a lot of cut aparts and popping them up. Lots of fussy cutting. Love the relax. Don't I wish I could do that? Isn't this paper just stunning? I just can't get over it. Again, another cut apart, more stamping. Love the sun here. And this is absolutely gorgeous. I really love this frame from Renee Bouquet's kit. Again, I did the ombre effect. Added a pearl in here and on top here. Now these came in with this, just so you know that. Another gorgeous dragonfly. I love the orchid color. I went ahead and just stuck one of the cut aparts in here so they know that they could tuck a photo in there if they want to do that. And again, getaway. Love, love, love. And this is actually from my stash, but the rest is from the kit. Archana sent a cut apart of butterflies, and I went ahead and just kind of layered that in there, along with more of the cut aparts, more of the Prima flowers, and the unicorn pearls. And look at how cute these little flip-flops are. That is just adorable. More washi tape. Loving the washi tape. I apologize for my daughter talking in the background. Another one of the butterflies from Renee's kit. And again, more cut aparts that I just popped up right there on the boardwalk. Love, love, love. I love the jellyfish in here. Sand. More cut aparts. I love the cabanas. And here's another frame, and this one is a scalloped shell frame from Renee Bouquet's. And I just added some more Prima flowers and more of the cut aparts. Really beautiful paper, guys. You just can't get enough of this. Again, we have some shells and this little bird, all cut aparts, just kind of popped up there. More Prima flowers. Again, more unicorn pieces. And then this little guy right here was left over from another project that I made, a starfish. And I just thought he was really cute and decided to add him in there too. He was just a little die cut that I got from my friend Kat. And again, this bling comes in your kit from Crafty City. Gorgeous. And then here we have this little beach time, and I left it open a little bit so they could slide a photo underneath if they want to. That's if they want to cover up this gorgeous paper. But again, I ombre painted it, and then I decided to outline the umbrella just to give it a little more effect. And that is the end of the book. Again, don't forget your 10% off codes from 8/1 to August 31st are going to be Paradise Kimmy all in caps, that's at Renee Bouquet's, and Gold Stand from Crafty City. And it doesn't just have to be the kits. You can get whatever you want in their store and use those discount codes. I can't talk today, but when can I ever? Anyway, guys, thank you so much. There is going to be a video tutorial next, and I hope you all really appreciate and enjoy that. And also, there is going to be a 36-page written tutorial that will be available. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful and fabulous day. Thank y'all. Bye.